If you want to scale your business to 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, whatever, you need to understand that there's 3 types of traffic and how to get your hands on it. Russell Brunson actually made this popular, and essentially it works like this. There's traffic you control, there's traffic you earn, and traffic you own. Traffic you own is essentially people who you have emails and phone numbers for. They might even have signed up for your training program in the past or gave you their contacts for a PDF, a booklet, or whatever opt-in you might have. Are people who are aware of you and you can contact them directly whenever at will. And so this traffic that you own is what you want the other 2 types of traffic to become for you eventually. You can move the traffic you own to cross-sell, you can upsell, or even downsell. You can do whatever you want with this traffic. It is yours. Now, it's best to work this type of traffic through SMS marketing campaigns or even email drip campaigns. Okay, so traffic you control. Traffic you control is the easiest traffic to acquire. You put your credit card in, all right, you ready, all right? And then you're done. Seriously, traffic you control is basically paid advertising. You can scale fast with it for sure, but you're paying to get this type of traffic and hopefully convert it into traffic you can own. You can have as much of this type of traffic as your bank account allows you to, but that's just it. You see, traffic you control, once it's turned off, it's fucking gone. No more ads, no more traffic, no more leads, no more sales. Does this mean you shouldn't acquire and build this type of traffic? Absolutely not. Yes, of course you should. As a business owner, you should try to build and work all 3 types of traffic all the time. It's actually so crazy, man. I see so many business owners that struggle to even acquire 1 of 3 sources. And with the sources they actually do have, they don't know how to work it. So with that said, to work traffic you control, you want to send these people to a squeeze page or somewhere that you can present them with a strong, compelling offer. The main idea, the main goal is to just capture their information so you can control it. Now, last is my favorite, but the hardest traffic to build and to acquire. It's the traffic you earn. Traffic you earn is what entrepreneurs struggle with the most. They often can't seem to just grasp it and don't know the value of it. So examples of traffic you earn are like SEO or social media. And social media is probably the greatest and my favorite way to earn traffic. So there's this guy out there, if you haven't heard of him, go watch him right away, Alex Hormozi. He said it best, brand building makes the big money, but brand building isn't an overnight accomplishment. However, brand building is what gives you longevity in business. It's not like traffic you control where once you stop paying, it's gone. Once you build the brand, you can continue to get traffic because you earned it. So you need to work on it. It's a long-term play. It doesn't happen overnight. Branding through social media, video, all of that is a 24/7, 365 days of the year traffic generating machine. I want to quickly share with you just a few hacks for building a strong brand online through social media. This one will seem obvious, but 99% of you aren't doing this right now. I want you to go out there and leverage short form video content. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are fucking crazy about it right now. You can build a lot of traffic really quickly with this method alone. I don't care what size business you are, I really don't. Anyone can do this. Now, I got 2 new high ticket clients from Instagram literally last month with short form video content. But hey, also remember, the source of traffic you earn is also SEO. So like you can even implement and repurpose that short form video content to your Google business profile to help you with your SEO. So you rank higher in local search results. Google loves video content. Okay, so another way to build a really strong brand is to make leadership-based content. What do I mean by this? Well, before I give you that answer, let me give you some context first. The last 30 years, there's a guy named Barry Posner, a professor actually of leadership from Santa Clara University. He researched what people look for in someone that they wanted to follow. So Barry from his research shares with us that if we want to build a following, if we want to build a brand, to have a group of people who are loyal that want to buy from us all the time, that we must demonstrate these 6 things through our content. Number 1 being trustworthiness. I like to do this through sharing client testimonials. Number 2, inspire a shared vision. This is reminding people of what the dream outcome is and why it's important. So if you're a realtor, what's that dream outcome? Well, that could be getting their first home, right? That's just an example. Number 3, model the way. You need to demonstrate to people that you practice what you preach. Otherwise, why should I trust you? Number 4, I want you to challenge the process. What makes you different from your competition? Number 5, you need to encourage the heart. This is like sharing wisdom or social proof or case studies. Number 6, enable others to act. This one is something people struggle with the most, but it's basically, what is your offer? So if you can make social media content, video content, or even speak on podcasts with these topics, you follow these points, you will naturally build a following. Okay, so write this down and apply these to the content you're going to start making, all right? Now, if you want to learn how to build your business online with systems, processes, marketing, sales, and remote delegation, then like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend or a colleague that could use this, benefit from it. Also, if you like that more personalized stuff, aspect, and you want even more information, go ahead and follow me on Instagram @TrentStonehouse. You're all greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.